Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Rakshamam
Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Rakshamam
Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Rakshamam
Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Rakshamam
Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam
Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Pahimam
Shri Ganesha Shri Ganesha Shri.
To think what really Kirtan does to us, to our body and mind, how it affects us. It makes us definitely more happy. It makes us also, our mind, more pure. Purity comes, and with purity comes joy. And not like excitement, but that joy which is touching our true nature. Sometimes people, when they come to the teacher training course, or they come to yoga vacations, they have lots of these blockages to chant, to express themselves, and they ask why Sanskrit, why mantras has to be in Sanskrit, why can't we talk in English or French? And then we start slowly introducing what really Sanskrit does to our mind. And also, when we observe, we as the teachers, we see, and for ourselves, finally, who is the teacher and who is the student. So for ourselves, we see very often when we do not have mood, we have lots of maybe emotions even, we come to satsang, to meditation, and then we chant. And what happens, we feel upliftment. We feel that tiredness goes away. We feel uplifted. It's very, very precious energy. Finally, we can just say in one word, Sanskrit is really vibration, it's energy. It's not a language as we used to speak, like hello, goodbye, like in English and so on, or like in French or any other language. And Sanskrit also called Devanagari, Devanani, so Sanskrit has come from very source of that power which created from which creation started. So it was Om, from Om came sounds, 50 articulate sounds. From those 50 first articulate sounds came Sanskrit. So Sanskrit, Devanagari, is language of gods. It's very close to our true nature.
Does it make a difference if we repeat it out loud or in our head?
Yeah, this will be said also in mantra initiation, but when mind is very drowsy, then we repeat loud. When it is getting a little bit more awake, then we whisper, and then the, so to say, highest or deepest is mental repetition. This is deeper. This is really when you can connect to yourself through mantra. Finally, what we experience when we're all together, we chant one mantra or we chant one kirtan, we start to feel unity. We are in one energy, and this is very precious experience. So I think if you would like to chant, or if you have a lot of fear to chant, or maybe you would like to learn something or to overcome certain emotions, chanting is the best. So you just come to ashram and we will chant and we will be happy.